We'll guide you through how to add multiple roles at the same company on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on LinkedIn, and so you've got multiple roles or jobs at the same company. And so you want to make sure that's added onto your LinkedIn, just so people who look at your profile go and understand that you've got the flexibility to work in these both roles. Make sure it's full guide, as we're covering this in this video, and you don't want to miss out on an important part. So for example, currently I'm a video editor at GuideRealm, but as well as that, I could be a content creator or producer. So I want to go and have that shown on my profile. I'll show you what I mean by that. So here we are on LinkedIn. We'll press me in the top right and press view profile. Scroll down to experience, because at the moment I'm just a video editor listed here, but I want to go and add in my other role and job. So what you need to do is in this section is you need to come to the top right of experience and find the plus. You don't go and click on this. That's not what you want to do. You click on the plus in the top right and you want to press add role. So choose if you want to go and notify your network. I don't want to. Now you can go and type in the title. So as I said, I could be a producer as well. So I'll go and type that in, select it. I don't change employment type. Now for the company or organizations, it's really important. You need to go and select or type in exactly the same company which you currently selected for the other role or job. So for example, I could go and type in GuideRealm. This is listed in this case here, but if it wasn't, I would just click off it and that'd be fine, but I can go and select it. As I said, if you do just go and type it in, make sure you type it in exactly the same. So currently I'm working this role, so we'll go and keep that selected. And you can then go and choose the start date. So when you went and started. So for me, we can go and select it. Let's go and say it was in January this year. And you can choose a location and the location type as well. Add a description and you can choose the profile headline and some other info as well. Then go and press save in the bottom right. It's now adding it and it says your experience is saved. I'll just press skip. And here you can go and see my different roles. So you can go and see I was a video producer beginning in January 2026 and video editor starting in January 22, but we're present with both roles. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. Have a great day. I'll catch you again soon. Thank you for watching.